So how to use Humionboarder? First, go to create course page, then give it a name, give it a description. This is only for your users. AI uses only PDF. Speaking about choose the PDF, the best results you're gonna receive if you use only text PDF files. And keep in mind, we only accept 4.4 megabytes for now. Then hit create course button and just wait. You're gonna be redirected to the courses listing page, and right now you can see it's in creation state. So it depends how many pages you had in your PDF, the time you're gonna wait. So basically for 20 pages, it's gonna be like 5-6 seconds. You're gonna be notified by the ringing bell, and you can enter your course hitting the notification button. So as you can see, you can already explore the flashcards, the questions and answer here provided. You can also download the questions and answers if you'd like. And if you don't know something or you like to precise something, you don't understand one word, you can use chat functionality. It has the context of the provided PDF file. So if it doesn't know something, if the information is not provided in the PDF, then it's gonna reply you, I don't know. It's not gonna imagine the knowledge. It's not gonna take it from another source. So keep in mind that you can treat it as the base knowledge for your course. Also, if you are an organization owner, you can explore your course. You can edit that. If the answer and question and answer provided doesn't fit you, you think it's not necessary or it's duplicated, then you can delete that. You can also correct the question and answer. For example, I don't know what's the project name. I can easily ask the chat because this chat also has the context of this course.